तो 2011 वो मेमोरी इज जस्ट लाइक टाइमलेस है वो,
हाँ,
मतलब वो है बस।
वो तो रहने ही वाला कोर मेमोरी
या
अल्जाइमर्स होने के बाद यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट साइक्लिंग एंड 2011 वर्ल्ड कप धोनी 6
नेपोटिज्म बहुत है
और दे मैरी अ लॉट अमंगस्ट ईच अदर
स्मॉल पूल जीन पूल छोटा है
या क्रिकेट पूल they are producing the finest cricket race of Sri Lanka. Chandapal, like in Chandapal.
Chandapal.
That's Chandrapal, you know that, right?
Yeah. Chandapal. He said it, right?
He said it somewhere. Yeah, I brushed today for Sachin. मैं आपको चाबुक मारना चाहता हूँ.
Super King.
I want to, मैं अपने पाप का पस्ता चाप करना चाहता हूँ इस पॉडकास्ट पर.
Welcome back. It's Cricket number what? 11.
Episode number 11. Shami for a reason.
That's right.
Not for the lactose intolerant.
No. Right in
बोलना जरूरी है. Disclaimer, वरना ये देख के तुम्हें कुछ एलर्जी हो जाएगी, तुम्हारे मुंह लाल हो जाएगा, तो हम पे ब्लेम नहीं होना चाहिए.
Lala for a reason. It's his nickname, I think. Lala.
The La in Lala stands for lactose.
Lala land में पहुंच गया हम. But
it's also Vittori for a reason.
Oh yes, Daniel Vittori. I love that guy. As a guy with glasses playing cricket, I respect him a lot.
Same.
right?
He's like there's a Vittori school of batsmanship, which is Vittori and Imam ul Haq and Jack Leach. Jake Leach. Jack Leach.
And what about that spinner in Australia?
Jack Leach, right? His full name. Jack Leach. Jack Leach, yes.
And the spinner in Australia.
Todd Murphy.
Todd Murphy.
And me for Mumbai Maestros.
It's a small elite list
of Vittori school of batsmanship. Also Vittori, the heartthrob.
Lenscard presents.
Yeah. Don't you think Vittori, like everyone who'd never even watched cricket in the 2000s had a crush on Vittori?
Yeah, dude. I noticed every guys also liked him, girls also liked him. Yeah. Everybody liked Daniel Vittori. He just seemed like a gentleman who shouldn't have any right to play cricket.
Yeah.
He plays. He's playing for all of us. हमें represent कर रहा है वहाँ banker वाला look लेके.
The first time someone told me कि वो ये कौन है Daniel Vittori, तब मेरे को strike I'm like, oh actually, like that is the first time I started appreciating like guys, you know.
I think the first time after Hrithik Roshan's second version in Kauna
Pyare, yes.
Glasses, which was his addition by the way. He keeps saying like he added that look. Hrithik told his dad कि चश्मा पहनूंगा.
तो Daniel Vittori को देख के उसने बोला चश्मा लगा दो.
Oh, and उसके बाद number 11 उसकी Hrithik है 11.
यार Hrithik for a reason.
Insane man.
What is Hrithik's pet name? Duggu and Lala for a reason.
Duggu and Lala.
This is what happens when you are recording India Sri Lanka. You have nothing to talk about.
The Great Depression of cricket is on. Yes. India has beaten Zimbabwe and they're going to play Sri Lanka. Actually, when this comes out, India would have already won the, let's assume,
we are winning. So I'll tell you what, guys. ये इतना खराब टाइम चल रहा है क्रिकेट में कि शामिक ने बोला आई डोंट केयर अबाउट दिस पॉडकास्ट, मैं पेरेंट्स को मिलने जा रहा हूँ. He planned it during a Sri Lanka tour. So we are going to predict the first, I think the first 2 matches will get over. No, all the
T20s will be over.
तीनों हो जाएंगे.
और probably 2 ODIs will be over.
2 ODI will be over. तो हम predict करने वाले हैं. मैं predict कर रहा हूँ एक bold, which is 5 matches है इसमें, मतलब 3 ODI.
पहले T20 बोल.
3-0 इंडिया.
अरे बोल्ड क्या है? मैं तो यही बोलने वाला था.
Okay, चल 3-0 श्रीलंका. नहीं, that's bold.
That is sticking your neck out.
Okay, no.
3-0 श्रीलंका तो I'll put my whole money कि ये नहीं हो सकता है इस पे.
Yes. No, कितना है whole money का amount बता दे.
My whole money that's in my wallet right now. Not including debit card में जो cash only.
Cash only. Okay. So okay नहीं 3-0 इंडिया.
I think 3-0 और ODIs I think 1-1 होगा.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
मुझे लगता है after the thrashing them in the T20s थोड़ा एक थोड़ा complacence आ जाएगा टीम में. Not complacence but थोड़ा relax करेंगे.
But विराट और रोहित वापस आएंगे.
This is true.
जड्डू भी आ सकता है. जड्डू है क्या टीम में? एक सेकंड देखते हैं हम लोग.
पता नहीं but I think विराट and रोहित will take 1 game to get going. पहले गेम में उन लोग फायर नहीं करेंगे.
Okay. अच्छा, there's no जड्डू. So there's Virat and Kohli coming.
First game I think we'll lose in the ODI and then we'll
win the second and the third one.
Second, third तो of course.
So you're saying कि 4-1 India. I'm saying 5-0.
Yeah.
Okay.
ठीक है.
ठीक है. ये prediction.
Bold prediction we have made. And don't ask us कौन wicket लेगा for Sri Lanka और score runs क्योंकि हमें पता ही नहीं.
पता ही नहीं. श्रीलंका में कौन है उनके टीम में?
एक जयसूर्या है अभी ना कि नहीं है वो?
एक जयसूर्या. एक second रुक जा. Good question. Let's open. This is the podcast, guys. Today, this is how much we care about. I don't think the Indian team also knows कि सामने वाली टीम में कौन है.
100%.
If you go on Cricinfo, वहाँ पे श्रीलंका का ही सिर्फ उन्होंने T20I स्क्वाड दिया है और उनका ODI स्क्वाड नहीं दिया है because I think it's the same. They don't have so many
सब same है
options.
dude. Ground भी पूरा 3 T20 same ground पे खेल रहे हैं हम I think.
Oh.
And ODIs in another.
Wait, let me check that, otherwise गाली पड़ेगी हमें लोगों से. Actually नहीं पड़ेगी. कितने ही लोग देख रहे हैं.
Die hard fans जो दो cricket fans जो है हमारे शायद 3-4 followers होंगे who are real cricket.
अच्छा you're right. तीनों जो टेस्ट तीनों T20 और तीनों वनडे
in one place.
One place only.
हाँ
मतलब 3 one-days in one place and 3 T20s in one place.
It's a some people ask and I think it's a fair question. क्यों खेलते हैं हम इंडिया श्रीलंका सीरीज? क्यों चाहिए ये कैलेंडर?
Stat padding.
Yes. Right? It's a way to get back in form, way to for Siraj to pick up 5 for 0 runs, whatever he did. Yeah, that year Asia Cup final. Do you remember Sri Lanka के against 50 all out कर दिया था हमने. क्या
बात कर रहा है?
Yeah, they got all out for 50 and we chased it in 6 overs. It was the most embarrassing.
Oh my God.
And then again we got them 50 all out in the World Cup.
My last actual memory of Sri Lanka is India Sri Lanka 2011 World Cup. Like उसके बाद से everything's a blur.
Dhoni finishes it off in style.
Yeah, that one. And of course after that you remember Rohit Sharma का 264.
Yes.
वो याद रहता है. ठीक है.
Man, मैं तो याद ही नहीं रहता मेरे को कि कौन सा पहले आया था इन दोनों में.
चल मैं तेरे को कौन सा नहीं 264 बाद में आया था. ओके. 3 उसके.
Dude, 2011 वो मेमोरी इज जस्ट लाइक टाइमलेस है वो. मतलब वो है बस.
वो तो रहने ही वाला. कोर मेमोरी.
या
अल्जाइमर्स होने के बाद यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट साइकिलिंग एंड 2011 वर्ल्ड कप धोनी 6.
तो मैं अल्जाइमर्स के पीक में भी कोई नंबर 7 बोलेगा तो तला
या और अगर नहीं बोलेगे तो टपली मार के बुलवाया जाएगा अल्जाइमर्स पेशेंट से. ठीक है.
वार्ड में हर जगह लिखा होगा ये मत भूलना बस.
तो दिनेश चंदीमल. ओके. आविष्का फर्नांडो. कुशल मेंडिस. कुशल परेरा. You know these people.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. There's some निशंका. पाथुम निशंका. ये पता है देखो. अच्छा. असलंका भी पता है. Wanindu Hasaranga भी पता है.
Oh yeah, this is a legend.
There's a new Kamindu Mendes.
Oh, new Mendes.
हाँ नया Mendes है. There was one more before this, no?
Ajanta.
No, but between Ajanta and कुशल मेंडिस भी था ना एक. Yes, वो तो है of course. अभी तो नाम लिया मैंने उसका.
2 Mendes in the team.
Yeah. Okay. Then Shanaka also we know. हमें पता है काफी कुछ. फिर चमिंडू विक्रमा सिंह. I don't know exactly. मैं को गलत नहीं प्रोनाउंस करना उसका सरनेम. सिंगे. या वो ही है. And then चमीरा हमें पता है.
चमीरा पता है.
There's a new Fernando. Binura Fernando.
Dude, I think what we are learning is nepotism बहुत है. छोटी सी आइलैंड है. सब लोग अपने मतलब relatives को ही डाल रहे हैं.
और they marry a lot amongst each other. That is also
small pool, gene pool छोटा है.
Yeah, cricket pool. They are producing the finest cricket race of Sri Lanka.
It's a
Jayasuriya marrying.
Yeah, Jayasuriya De Silva को याद आएगा टीम में अभी. The combo of the two.
Sanat De Silva. Okay. Patirana we know. Theekshana we know.
Dude, they have a decent team.
Nuwan Tushara we know. Actually हमें पता है सारे.
I think 4-1. I'm leaning more towards 4-1 now.
Yeah, now that even I'm seeing this, I want to change. But
because it's not
I want to win all the money in your. Show how much you have right now.
There is no cash. There is 2 10-rupee coins.
2 10. Show it to the audience. I want proof. Show it on camera, guys. ये बहुत बड़ी bet लगी हुई है. Because उस दिन मैं लेने वाला हूँ ये पैसे इससे.
Oh fuck, actually बहुत coins है मेरे पास.
Oh, richness इस महीने का rent.
अरे fortune cookie का भी है.
Oh, तो 2 fortune cookie मुझे मिलेगी.
इसमें ले पढ़ देता हूँ तुम लोगों के लिए. Look for new outlets for your creative abilities.
Yes, that's this podcast.
यही पढ़ के हमने start
किया था.
Okay, so 20 rupee. Oh fuck.
Oh wow! And I need the coin, if I win.
अरे now this bet really means something.
Yeah.
10 rupee coin भी है. So 30 to 34 rupees, dude.
34 rupees की bet है. Okay, that's a big bet.
It's a real bet now.
Yeah.
But you didn't put anything on the line. तेरा क्या है?
5-0 है ना मेरा.
हाँ, but what if you lose? क्या?
नहीं, तूने ही पहले बोल दिया तो मैंने मैच कर दिया. Right to match.
अच्छा, 34
rupees, but wait 20.
I need a 20 rupee
coin. Okay.
तुझे जुगाड़ कर.
वरना तुझे 14 रुपए मिलेंगे.
1 year I'll give you to acquire.
Okay.
Because लोग देते नहीं है वो.
देते. चल ठीक है. We'll do this. Guys, it's a big bet. You guys have to keep us accountable.
Yeah, please keep us accountable. And when this comes out, start commenting कि तुम गलत हो, चूतिए, whatever.
हाँ, जो भी. हाँ, कुछ भी कमेंट करो. गालियाँ भी दे दो हमें, चलेगा. जिससे मेरे को याद आती है कि लास्ट एपिसोड में हमने कुछ विंबलडन के बारे में बोला. तो किसी ने कमेंट में बोला कि ये रीजनल पोस्ट है. Which I didn't know is a thing. Antariksh, did you know this? That it's a thing? Called regional post.
Our producer is mid-meal. He is so busy doing podcasts that he finds only time between while shoots are on to get his meals in. That's a hustler right there.
Dude, that's so sad because I listen to podcasts while eating. It's your job is to...
while recording.
He's unedited.
He's recording to the original, the virginal recording. But so you're saying regional post which only India region.
Apparently मैंने भी Google किया, मेरे को कुछ मिला नहीं उस पे खास.
But it makes sense.
Yeah, but जिसने भी वो comment किया, please comment in 5 comments के how this works.
Yeah, in 5 steps.
5 steps.
5 अलग-अलग steps में डाल दो.
Yeah.
1 of 5 ऐसे करके डाल दो.
एक पे लिखना Instagram, second पे लिखना Facebook acquired Instagram, third पे लिखना Reels.
एक पे Mercedes Benz का वो
description. नहीं, एक पे सिर्फ वो title डालना, दूसरे पे description डालना.
But there were also comments about कि why aren't you, there is other cricket happening, why aren't you talking about it?
Which reminds me, good England versus West Indies. There was some hope in the test match, but then it went.
I think किसने सेंचुरी मार दिया उनके
साइड से एक सेकंड में लगा रहा.
किसी ने मार दिया.
जो ऑली पोप ने मारा था, एक सेंचुरी भी मारा और एक 51 भी मारा उसने. मैं बताता हूँ. बट वेस्ट इंडीज से भी एक सेंचुरी आई.
Yeah, I mean it was a decent test until the last innings.
Until the last innings, because मैंने जब भी टीवी चलाई देखने के लिए.
Great 3 innings of 400 plus runs, and only in the last innings West Indies collapsed.
Yeah, so there was a good. I think Brathwaite has been playing really well.
Yeah, like, West Indies is no longer like that shit.
Yeah,
like, they're sort of like putting up a fight now.
Are you on their scorecard?
हाँ, I'm seeing the score.
Alec, how do you pronounce
Joe
it?
Root and Harry Brook दोनों ने सेंचुरी मारा सेकंड इनिंग्स में.
अच्छा, हाँ, पहले ऑली पोप ने मारा.
हाँ, फर्स्ट इनिंग्स.
और बाय द वे इवन जो रूट ने एक और रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक किया. आई थिंक ही वेंट पास्ट जो रूट न्यूज. ही वेंट पास्ट समवन in the last 1 week. Test record. Can really... Okay, so they are saying, guys, Joe Root can really break Sachin Tendulkar's record for most runs in Test cricket, claims former cricketer Michael Vaughan.
Of course,
Michael Vaughan ने बोला है.
Michael Vaughan तो बोलेगा ही. Michael Vaughan is in the business of getting engagement up through like
hot takes.
Comments. Yeah, hot takes. He knows Indians will pounce on him.
Yeah.
और his views will go up. But that's...
So he needs 532. Okay, so he became the 8th highest run scorer. He went past Mahila Jayawardene and Chandra Paul.
Oh.
You know... Chandra
Paul.
Like in Chandra Paul. That's Chandra Paul. You know that, right?
Yeah. Chandra Paul. He said it, right?
He said it somewhere. Yeah, that was the best thing. Because हम बचपन से Chandra Paul ही बोल रहे हैं for fun.
Yeah.
So yeah, he went past this guy.
Wow. Dude, I didn't realize Chandra Paul was so high up in the list. That's
Chandra
awesome.
Paul has...
he was legendary, but I didn't know.
So if you look at the time of between 2000 and 2012 या 15 जो भी, उसमें यही तो सारे थे. जयवर्धने, संगकारा from Sri Lanka. Atapattu was also there, but not, I think, 10,000 plus, if I'm not wrong. We'll check once. Chandra Paul was there. Ramnaresh Sarwan was there. India में तो everyone, the Fab Four plus Sehwag.
Yep.
Fab Four में Sehwag नहीं था.
Sachin,
Dravid, Lakshman, Ganguly. हाँ, plus Sehwag. तो Fab 5. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में of course Ricky Ponting. हाँ, Ponting तो था ही.
Hayden also.
Hayden भी था, but Hayden actually ऑस्ट्रेलिया नंबर 11 तक सब थे. You know, Shane Warne भी था जो मारता था सेंचुरी. So Yeah, so I think that era of that was a golden era of like batsmanship.
For sure.
उसके बाद से थोड़ा मतलब I was surprised because I was checking कि Virat is at 8,500 runs in tests right
but
now.
But they also do they play less tests now than the Australians used to back then?
हो सकता है पॉसिबल. हम लोग ने पहले से ज्यादा
T20 भी आ गया है, थोड़ा
वनडे भी आ गया है, बट देन जो रूट भी सिमिलर एरा का ही है.
ट्रू.
तो
बट इंग्लैंड लोग बहुत टेस्ट खेल लेते हैं डूड. उन्होंने अपने होम में उन लोग टेस्ट सीरीज के बाद टेस्ट सीरीज लगाते रहते हैं.
बट अभी तो आई थिंक लास्ट 2-4 साल से तो बिकॉज स्टैंडर्डाइज हो गया है ना, लाइक 5 years एक्चुअली.
द
वर्ल्ड टेस्ट के मतलब सब एक्स नंबर ऑफ खेलेंगे या आई डोंट नो एग्जैक्टली वो कैसे होता है.
लेट्स जस्ट गिव क्रेडिट टू जो रूट.
जो रूट ने अच्छा तो किया है.
हां, जो रूट इज गुड.
बट एंड ही हैड दैट वन क्रेजी पैच जहाँ पे उसने श्रीलंका में जाके ऐसा डबल सेंचुरी मार दिया, फिर इंडिया में आके सेंचुरी मारा, फिर हार गए बाकी. बट
there was a point where he was the only guy performing in the new Fab Four. All were out of form. Kane was injured. Virat was going through a slump. And Steve Smith had the whole, you know, the scandal.
The scandal. The paper.
But he came back.
Papergate.
Papergate.
Yes.
Of course, he came back and killed it. But which if I can. Which one should we go to first? ठीक है.
But wait, I'll tell you. So 33-year-old Joe Root needs 3,982 runs to break Sachin's record.
Dude.
Okay. And it is doable, but उन लोग को अभी कितना खेलेंगे वो लोग और टेस्ट मैचेस?
उसका एज कितना है? 33.
He is Joe Root का एज इज काफी ज्यादा ही है. बड़ा तो दिखता है वो. 33. Oh shit. He's just 2 years older than me.
Dude, he's younger than me. if I think he can do it because I think he can play till 40. He looks like the kind of guy
who will play, right? But मतलब अगर हम लोग चल next 5 years अगर हम लोग मान के चलते हैं कि खेलने वाला है 38 तक, तो 4,000 रन डिवाइड बाय 5
tests.
Wait, sorry, 5 years में डिवाइड कर 4,000 कितना होता है? मैं कैलकुलेटर, हम लोग ये सब क्यों कर रहे हैं?
800.
हाँ, 800 रन अ ईयर. तो 800 years अगर तुम साल में 6 या 8 टेस्ट खेल रहे हो, 8 टेस्ट खेल रहे हो,
8 टेस्ट तो 100 runs per test.
Per test, which is 50 का average.
Dude, he can do it.
He can do it.
But it's tough. It's gonna be touch and go. Like if he keeps playing, it'll be like he'll come close.
Yeah.
I think if he comes close, then now there'll be a motivation to get there.
Plus also it will depend on how much he's playing in India because India में खेल रहा है तो ये नहीं होने वाला.
नहीं होने वाला. Our spinners will take care of him. But
will take care for Sachin.
For Sachin, not for themselves or pride of winning the test. We do it for Sachin, whatever we do.
Yeah, I brushed today for Sachin in the morning.
I do everything for Sachin. Yeah. But since someone had put in our comments, not just West Indies.
Guys, we are a very humble podcast. हम सारे comments पढ़ते हैं.
Yeah, because there are not that many. It's easy also.
Yeah. But before that, Sachin का record जरूर break करेगा कि नहीं? Comments में बताओ. With अगर yes है तो एक comment में Y, दूसरे कमेंट में E, थर्ड कमेंट में S.
This is going to be the most disgusting comment section.
Oh yeah, I want a disgusting comment section. Yeah,
just fill it up. We want the numbers to go up.
Yeah.
But speaking of comments, someone commented, I think Major League Cricket पे क्यों नहीं बात कर रहे?
MLC. What? It's like MPL का कुछ partner company.
मैं तो बस देखा MLC and I was like कि Martin Luther King का कोई भाई है क्या?
Martin Luther.
I don't know what to put there.
Martin Luther cousin.
He had a dream also. तो ML ठीक है, हम your wishes are command.
Yes.
तो मैं तेरे साथ एक quiz करता हूँ.
Okay,
There are basically 6 teams in Major League Cricket.
Okay.
जो अभी चल रहा है, in case you don't know.
In case you guys don't know,
in case you are not educated about.
In case you are living under a bubble.
Yeah. Under a rock. That rock is called Earth.
Yeah, living under a rock. Living in your bubble.
Yeah, in your bubble.
Under a rock.
But अभी चल रहा है, and there are only 6 teams in this tournament.
Yes.
तो मैं तेरे को
2 मुझे शायद पता है.
हाँ, cities के नाम बताऊंगा and you guess the franchise names. ठीक है? तो पहला वाला I think you know, so we'll start with Los Angeles.
Knight Riders.
Los Angeles Knight Riders is correct. Sister franchise of Kolkata and one.
Caribbean में भी एक है.
Caribbean में कुछ होगा.
एक है उनका.
Trivago
is that website. Trinidad and Tobago.
Trivago Knight Riders तो नहीं है as far as I know.
Trinidad Knight Riders.
Hey,
no, he's right. It's Trinbago. Yeah.
What? Sorry, dude.
Because it's Trinidad and Tobago combine करके.
Dude, Antriksh has become a cricket fanatic. So I talked to Andre Russell and Sunil Narayan, dude.
Oh, that's how.
No wonder.
And we're saying Trivago and making fun of him like a loser.
इसने forced brand deal बना दिया.
ऐसे हमारे स्कूल में हुआ था एक बार, एक लड़का आया था और उसने बोला था अरे that car is very good, Toyota Lexus. And we didn't know that Toyota Lexus was like was Toyota. But we thought it's Lexus as a company. And we made fun of him for 4 years.
But Lexus is a company.
But it's Toyota Lexus.
No, Lexus is its own company, right?
Both, I think. Yeah, he's right. Toyota has a car called Lexus also.
Really?
Yeah.
This I didn't know.
Lexus is the luxury automobile division of Japanese car manufacturer Toyota.
But so when it's a Lexus, we usually don't say Toyota. We just say Lexus, whatever.
So we made fun of him for a while and for a few years. Like सोच ना तेरे पीछे अगर 40 बच्चे एक की 4 साल तक मारे तो mentally तो इंसान खराब हो ही जाएगा. और फिर हमें पता चला कि it's actually Toyota. So it's like, but तब तक 10th standard खत्म हो गया.
It doesn't matter. The facts don't matter.
Facts don't matter. Only bullying matters.
Yeah, bullying is done.
That's what we should have done with Antariksh right now. Like we should have just gaslit him.
Yeah, Trivago.
ये Trivago बोल रहा है साला, इसको पता भी है.
Next team we have for you to guess, Dureja, is Washington.
Washington Sundar.
The Washington Sundars would have been a great name. Even I was hoping. And it's a good name, beautiful.
Yeah, but wait, I'll tell you. I think it has a very Hyderabad kind of vibe. Sunrisers Hyderabad. So I think it's Washington Sunrisers.
Unfortunately, it's not from the IPL, this name.
Oh,
it's more
so give
of
me
an
a clue
abstract
then.
Concept. Then think of an abstract concept that we all want. A concept that...
roads?
Washington
roads.
Roads are an abstract concept in India now.
Yeah, in Mumbai for sure.
Mumbai for sure.
Yeah. Okay, wait. It's another abstract concept. Give me more.
Okay.
Horizon.
Yeah, give me blood. I will give you...
Washington Freedom.
That's right.
What? Why is it that?
Freedom. That is the name of this team.
I thought it would be like Washington, like, abstract concept. I was thinking on the lines of like Horizon is also an abstract.
Sure, if you say so. But Washington Freedom, I guess, because capital hai unka. I'm assuming it's Washington DC, Washington, not the state, but whatever. Washington.
मेरे को कुछ नहीं पता. तू जो बोले मैं मान लूँगा.
ठीक है. So Washington Freedom. Next, Texas.
Texas, all you can eat Texas. That's the name of the team.
Yeah, this Everything, is a good direction to think.
Texas, Excel Texas. Everything's large in Texas.
Okay, तो Excel का एक और term क्या होगा? बड़ा कर रहा है.
बड़ा, large.
Large का.
Make it.
एक उसका documentary है.
टेक्सास का डॉक्यूमेंट्री
नहीं, जो समथिंग तुम लार्ज ऑर्डर करते हो तो इसका
मेक इट
अमेरिकन.
वहाँ एक अमेरिकन फ्रेज है यार, मेक इट अ मील. नहीं, टेक्सास मील्स.
चड्डी बाहर कौन पहनता है आउटसाइड पैंट्स?
रेसलर्स, सुपर हीरोज.
यस,
सुपर. अच्छा, मेक इट सुपर बोलते हैं क्या?
सुपर साइज बोलते हैं.
सुपर साइज मी एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री है.
तो क्लू दे रहा था मैं. तो अभी सुपर सुन के तो अभी नेक्स्ट एक और वर्ड है उसके बाद.
टेक्सास सुपर जायंट्स.
अरे नो, that's a good guess.
Texas super size.
Texas super kings.
Super king. Oh shit.
Chala for a reason.
Oh man.
Comment. It's his turn.
मैं अपने आप को चाबुक मारना चाहता हूँ.
Super kings.
I want to. मैं अपने पाप का पस्ता चाप करना चाहता हूँ इस पॉडकास्ट पर.
Even Lucknow's management is angry. हमें पहले क्यों गैस किया? Super kings पहले आता है, dude.
Oh my god. Because it's like. It's CSK, you know, but it's never LSG. It's Lucknow Super Giants.
It's TSK now, Texas Super Kings, which is a great combination.
Yeah.
Next team.
That's why they got it, like maybe the super size
maybe
and.
कुछ थोड़ा सोचा होगा.
Thala, of course, Thala ने सोचा है सब कुछ.
It's always him.
Yeah.
There's a reason, and it's him. Next team. ये तो impossible है, but try करते हैं.
Okay.
Seattle
Strikers.
That's a good alliteration. Nice guess.
Because does it? Okay, question.
Seattle, बता.
वो लोग own करते हैं like any franchise, current franchise? Nothing.
This
okay.
word is pure.
In SS ऐसे कुछ है? Alliteration है? नहीं है.
I'll give you a clue.
But I'll tell you what. First, let me do law of deduction.
Okay.
Antariksh, you also support. ठीक है.
It's impossible.
So Seattle मैंने सुना है काफी, मैं गया नहीं हूँ, but मैंने सुना है काफी पहाड़ी है. टेक भी है. The mountainous है ना थोड़ा like वो BC के ऊपर आता है east west coast में.
Amazonians, because Amazon headquarters are in Seattle.
Seattle, but I'm
Is it in
Seattle Silicons,
right? No.
Yeah, that's
maybe it's in Seattle. I don't know. I'll tell you a clue.
Okay.
Seattle is known for.
ये general knowledge podcast क्यों बन गया?
Rain बहुत होता है and rain is water.
Water.
It's water side, water facing. और water में क्या रहते हैं?
मच्छी.
हाँ.
और
अभी good
Seattle
guess.
sharks.
Another and
Seaweed.
Sort of big closer. Dolphins is even closer.
Seals.
No.
Seaweed.
Which whale?
Whales. Sperm whale.
No. Seattle sperm whale. नहीं यार.
Blue whale.
अरे भाई तुम थोड़ा लॉजिक लगा. Seattle great white whale हो सकता है क्या? शार्क है वो, whale नहीं है. It's a type of whale.
अबे whale मेरे को sperm whale ही पता है.
If you got to whale, come on.
Okay,
you know,
blue whale challenge.
Yeah, you know the other whale, dude. Come on, guys. I'm sure you got it by now at home.
Big whale.
ठीक है.
Mine was much better. Sperm whale.
If someone murders a lot of people, they are a serial
killer. Killer whale.
Yeah, killer whale का एक और word क्या है?
Killer whale का एक और word. यार ये.
One word. नहीं पता तुम लोगों को.
एक सेकंड. Murderer का एक और word.
नहीं, murder भूल जाओ.
अच्छा, killer
का clue था वो.
Serial. नहीं.
It's Seattle Orcas, everybody. Orcas is.
भाई ये कैसे हमारा इतना ये Blue Planet 2 चलाना पड़ेगा ये देखने के लिए.
David Attenborough himself would comment on this episode.
अच्छा वेट Orcas मारते हैं क्या?
Orcas killer whales का एक और नाम है.
ना
Orcas are killer whales.
Killer अच्छा थोड़ी दो अलग है.
Killers.
क्या क्या सिखा के गए आज?
they मारते तो है killer whales. You can check out this great video of killer whales. They swim towards a seal who's sitting on, or a penguin, something. It's on a glacier. So the penguin sees this killer whales coming, so it runs the other direction, and there's another killer whale with his mouth open on the other
अच्छा
direction.
वो झुंड में मिलके team up करके.
They team up and get them.
और फिर खाता कौन है? मिल बांट के.
I don't know.
एक खा के थूक देता है.
वो episode release नहीं किया.
एक हाँ.
तो hence that's what Seattle Orcas are known for. I don't know how that works. ठीक है. Only 2 more teams. चलो जल्दी.
Oh shit, 2 और है. Okay.
हाँ एक तो तूने पता है.
I hope जिसके लिए भी हम लोग ये कर रहे हैं, they watch this episode and put it in the comments.
I can't believe how much of this episode is this.
Yeah.
New York का तो तुझे पता ही है.
MI New York.
Mumbai Indians New York. It's like yes. It's like Delhi Public School Bangalore में है. You used to see the bus. You're like क्या है ये?
Yeah, there is a
Delhi Public School Koramangala.
Oh my
Delhi Public School Indiranagar. So it's a franchise, but come on, थोड़ा name change कर सकते थे तुम लोग.
Like but the thing is मुंबई भी नहीं डाल सकते.
Indians भी नहीं. तो तुम बिल्कुल नहीं डाल सकते. Because वहाँ पे अलग ही connotation है Indians का.
Yeah.
एक और last team है San Francisco.
मुकेश न्यूयॉर्क बुला सकते थे. Mukesh Imbani. Okay, sorry. Which is the last one? San Francisco
Again,
Bay.
This is very nothing IPL related.
Okay, so see San Francisco में मैंने Midtown Madness में खेला हुआ है और वहाँ पे Golden Gate Bridge है और वहाँ पे भी ऐसे ऊपर नीचे होता है और वहाँ पे homeless problem भी मैंने सुना काफी है.
True. Where is this going?
I'm trying to see if it is.
क्या Warriors? No, it's an imaginary thing. It's named
again.
Yes.
What?
San Francisco Unicorns.
What?
First guess level guess.
Oh my god.
That is incredible.
How did you guess that?
Antriksh, did you work with San Francisco Unicorns also? Dre Russ ने mention किया.
Believe in unicorns, guys.
You believe in them.
Unicorns. San Francisco Unicorns is the right answer.
Also, let's take a moment for Antriksh's career that he has gone from a KKR podcast to the crickets.
Oh my god. Double demotion. Lateral shift. But those are the 6 teams and I don't know who's winning, who gives a fuck.
I hope you guys are happy.
Yeah, I hope you are. I don't know who's happy with that. But the killer whale part was really fun. I love how it went all over the fucking place.
Reel cut karna, killer whale, sperm whale.
ठीक है, मूविंग ऑन. और क्या बाकी
और
है?
बाकी है कुछ भाई, हो गया.
हाँ डूड, अरे टेस्ट टीम, सॉरी इधर टीम में कौन कौन नहीं है?
ओह नहीं है, अभिषेक शर्मा नहीं है.
अभिषेक शर्मा हैज नॉट बीन सिलेक्टेड.
सेंचुरी मारने के बाद
दिया. क्या चाहिए तुम्हें?
संजू सैमसन ने भी सेंचुरी मारा और उसको ओडीआई में नहीं लिया.
लास्ट ओडीआई, इंडियाज लास्ट ओडीआई में उसका सेंचुरी है.
तो आई थिंक सेंचुरी इज द प्रॉब्लम. सेंचुरी मत मारो गाइस.
या रीड द रूल.
या 91 नॉट आउट हो जाओ.
दैट्स राइट. स्टे आउट देयर. Just ground your bat.
Yeah.
Don't hit after your 90s.
Yes. Be in your nervous 90s. Yeah.
I feel like if you're not out, you should not be allowed to be dropped. कि मैं तो out भी नहीं हुआ. मतलब my innings is continuing. I got out, you can drop me.
Yeah.
New rule for MCC, Marylebone Cricket Club to consider.
Yeah. Or Mahim Cricket Club.
Mahim Cricket Club.
Anyone.
Let's start there.
Yes. Marylebone तक पहुँचने में बहुत time है.
I think the only other thing, if you had anything, I have one more thing.
नहीं,
I wanted to
think
talk about.
यही तो एक issue था, but बाकी तो
मेरा मेन था कि we wrap up where we started because it is episode 11. अपने लाला के बारे में थोड़ा बात करते हैं.
Yes.
After all, this might be controversial. I think
okay, a good update on his injury. He has started bowling at the NCA in Bangalore.
He's recovering and he's back in training.
Really well.
I think 1-2 months में he'll be back.
Yes.
And
for test season.
He's been in the news because Inzamam ul Haq has accused India of tampering the ball in the World T20. Alright? He's like, how are we reverse swinging the ball? India? Reverse swinging? Tampering ही होगा. So he has started some new beef and Lala has said ये cartoon गिरी बंद करो. Which has again caused controversy in Pakistan because people are like, don't insult Inzamam by calling him a cartoon. आलू बोल सकते हो, cartoon नहीं बोल सकते.
Too much.
So this is going on and that's why he's back in the news. I think, what do you feel? I feel he can say what he wants. He's proved himself.
Yeah, and I don't think cartoon, एक तो पहली बात cartoon is a very shitty insult.
Yeah, it's a sweet insult.
Yeah, and जो इस पे offend हो रहे हैं वो भी कुछ ज़्यादा ही shitty offense है.
cartoon देख लो भाई, इतना offensive नहीं है.
Yeah.
He's also like, that's a ridiculous accusation. पहले they had said कि कोई पाकिस्तान cricketer ने बोला था कि Indians have put a chip in the ball. That's why it's swinging both directions.
Yeah.
This was in the ODI World Cup.
अच्छा.
तो उस टाइम भी Shami had mentioned that also कि अभी बोल रहे chip.
As we know, Microsoft is known for getting the ball to swing.
Yeah.
Chip डाल के.
ये कौन सा टीम है? इंडिया है. सैन फ्रांसिस्को यूनिकॉर्न्स नहीं है वहाँ से.
चिप डाल के.
हाँ, डाल सकते हो.
और अगर ऐसा होता तो सौरभ नेत्रवलकर तो किल कर देता. वो तो काम करता है और किल के लिए.
वो खुद ही डिजाइन करता भाई.
ये तो 2000 के नोट में चिप है, बॉल में चिप है, पॉन्टिंग के बैट में स्प्रिंग है.
This is a great compliment to you when someone says this कि इतना अच्छा बोल कर रहे हो कि they like it's beyond science. It's like जो pyramids बोला था कि aliens ने बनाया because no one could figure out कैसे human बना.
Yeah, that's a compliment.
Yeah.
A compliment for our Indian bowlers with that chip. And in case you have a link to that chip, please put it in description.
Please.
We would love to be fast bowlers.
We would love to make it to the team.
Yes.
A late surge in our careers.
Yeah. Khalil Ahmed, हट जाओ. Shamik and I.
यार खलील अहमद कोई भेज देते हैं. If this chip is real, please उसी को दे देते हैं भाई.
Contribute करके.
But I respect Mohammad Shami. I think greatest ODI World Cup bowler ever.
Yeah.
Because उसने, I saw कि 18 matches खेला है उसने. And he's taken 55 wickets. That's just not human.
Yeah.
More than like the average of 13.
Especially the last World Cup when he came against New Zealand, I think, after not playing the first 2-3 games.
Because Pandya was injured and he came in. That's why he came in, right?
Is that why
he was not in the team?
Okay, yeah. So Pandya got injured, so we played with one batsman less, but we'll get Shami. And then, man, Venom, spewing Venom.
Yeah.
Sweet chin music.
Yeah. We can, now that we've won a World Cup, we can talk happily about those days.
Yeah. The 19 November, pre-19 November era.
Yeah.
Yes. So
that's our episode. We predict 4. I say 4-1. You say
5-0 and 34 rupees with a 20 rupee coin on the
line.
On the line. Also last week, one more comment. वो मैं बोल रहा था ना, रेनी सेव फॉर अ रेनी डे वाला मैं बोलने, और ड्राई डे तुम लोग बोल रहे, तुम लोग जिसकी ये यूएस में रह के आए और इसकी इंग्लिश ऐसी है
भाई, ऑन कैमरा थोड़ा खराब हो जाता है.
तूने आईएलटीएस नहीं लिया था क्या?
आईएलटीएस लिया था भाई, मेरा स्कोर दिखाऊंगा फेंट हो जाओगे तुम लोग, बट इट्स ओनली वैलिड फॉर 2 years, तो आई एम बैक.
या ये ड्राई डे के बाद तो तेरा 0 ही होना चाहिए.
Cut that later, Antis. Go and cut that part out from the previous episode. I don't want this to be out. This guy's like, who the fuck is he? He's drunk on power.
Just because you have a mic which is owned by me.
He's like, Antish, if he had a sandwich in his hand, he would have thrown it at him. He's finished it.
It's also avocado sandwich, so it's like...
Oh yeah, you don't throw that.
You don't throw that shit.
Bandra ka avocado sandwich.
Yes.
Sorry, I won't reveal more. Docs nahi karna hai tere.
What is docs?
जब तेरा address online leak कर देते हैं.
Okay, more marks for IELTS for him.
Thank you. That's it. कुछ you want to plug something?
I want to plug के subscribe करो.
Yes.
और comment में डालो, because अगर मैं अभी देखूं तो वो नंबर जो है 300 तक कुछ टच हुआ है अपना.
Subscription 300 हो गया. Karun Nair OP.
And Sehwag also, but Sehwag के पास 2 है तो we will. But let me check exact number live right now. ठीक है.
Wow, this is so exciting.
301. But we get average views of like we get good average views.
1000 के ऊपर.
1000 के ऊपर. So मतलब only 30% has subscribed.
Yes.
So we need more, okay, guys.
You're nailing this. Man.
Yeah, we need to get. Yes, I'm like the business partner, the business head of this podcast.
Yeah. So what's happening, guys?
Yes.
Subscribe. What is this?
See, guys, क्या करना है ना, देखो 10,000 तक पहुंचते हैं, उसके बाद मोनेटाइजेशन होता है, ठीक है, तब डीमोनेटाइज चल रहे हैं हम फिलहाल, और उसके बाद वहाँ पे एक डोनेट मनी भी आता है, तो हमें पैसे चाहिए, ठीक है, ये करने के.
Yeah, and I think.
Or any brands that want to sponsor us.
Absolutely reach out.
Yeah, if there's anyone who's in a position of power watching this.
Yeah.
Why? Why are you watching?
Microchip that wants to sponsor.
Yes.
We talked about it a lot.
Nvidia, after your boom, I think you have that extra cash.
Yeah. Any major league cricket teams want to reach out? We've plugged you. No one has plugged your teams.
Especially the unicorns.
Yeah, the unicorns. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Antrix 10 points. That's the episode. Subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our YouTube. Whatever,
yes. Instagram पे follow करो.
Yeah.
हम लोग ने link in description डाला हुआ है.
हाँ, हम reels बहुत डालेंगे अभी, और तुम थोड़ा like कर दो, share कर दो, comment कर दो.
Yeah.
And let the algorithm gods
take over.
take over.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.